Mboto read the affidavit of accused number 1. Rapadu read the confession of accused number 2. It dealt with the communication where Kelly asked, where are you? Those are records that are relevant. I'm in possession of the 205s for Kelly Kuman. And the state, I'm going to show the state that there was no such a communication. That is direct evidence. I'm not sucking a thumb to say I'm looking for the number for Ntuli, for Mapisa, for whoever. I've got the records for Kelly Kuman on the date of when Senzo was killed. They're busy with 2018, 2021. We are not really interested. That's not our defense. The main defense during Section 106 was that it's a bad denial. They denied having killed Senzo. So now they want to create their own defense because of what my colleague Ramsipidi said. Accused number 1 was not there. They're busy now. That's why one will be tempted to say they are cooking. They are manufacturing day in, day out. So that it can fit what the state wants to do. Because I can tell this court now, they don't have a case. I'm not arguing the case, but I don't see the purpose of this witness to be here.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, Twist&Turn with Neville. Now, if you have watched that first clip there in the beginning, you'll remember that some time ago, there was a complaint that was raised by the defense advocates in terms of those Section 205s that were not supplied, and when they were supplied, they were not supplied prior to prepare for them to prepare for the clients. Now we see the very same thing happening again because the state has decided to bring a different strategy in terms of presenting and going ahead with this trial. Advocate Ngomezulu and Mshololo some time ago, some weeks back, they complained and raised a concern in terms of the trial being met with constant delays, information of 2018 and onwards being irrelevant to the trial going ahead. Now, whether the accused communicated or knew each other or not, as long as it's something that happened after 2014, how does that help with the trial going forward? How does that help us? Such information doesn't help because I don't see it putting anyone behind bars. One question I have is, do they even think about the Meyiwa family when this whole thing is happening? Do they even put it in their minds to think, what is that family going through? Because since 2014 up to now, no one has been convicted. Instead, the state is bringing all these witnesses that are not even relevant to solving this case. So I don't know what's your take on it. I don't know what you're thinking about that, but let's see, because the way things are going currently, it's like they are doing this on purpose because they know that this thing is going to delay this trial even further. So a solution is nowhere near around the corner with this trial going forward. So I don't know what's your take on it. I don't know what you're thinking about it. And while you're at it, let's keep on watching and hear what the defense advocates are going to be raising at this point, because the way things are going right now, this trial is not going anywhere. Instead, they are busy trying to entertain stuff that happened in 2018 when we know that Senzo Meyiwa lost his life in 2014. So, hey, I don't know what's your take on that. Let's continue to watch the other clips that I've loaded towards the end.
Enough that they have something to say before this court. They should have led evidence. I'm not dictating, but they should have led evidence in relation to, for instance, my lord, let me just put it into practical perspective on what was delivered or was said before this court. Mboto read the affidavit of accused number 1. Rapadu read the confession of accused number 2. It dealt with the communication where Kelly asked, where are you? Those are records that are relevant. I'm in possession of the 205s for Kelly Kuman.
Well, there you have it. Advocate Mgomezulu saying that he does have the Section 205 for Kelly Khumalo, but the state is choosing to go a different route. And I don't know why are they protecting Ukeli, if they are protecting Ukeli, but the way things are going doesn't even make sense, because really the girl is going on with her life and pushing and everything. It's a business as usual for her. But what about Senzo Meyiwa? What about the people who are interested in this trial and everything that is going on? How it is going on? Because a lot of things are happening in this trial and it doesn't even make sense why things are taking this long, and the state is the one that has got that is calling the shots in terms of who's coming, who's not coming, and for them to entertain stuff that doesn't even solve the case, I don't know. Could be that they are protecting someone, could be that there was a brown envelope involved, but then for the purpose of this video, I'd say it's alleged that there's something like that even happening. But then this is what is happening, and it's a very sad thing for such a thing to happen, especially here in South Africa, because it shows how poor it is, a justice system of this country. It shows how poor it is, and in fact, it reflects a bad image out there. If you were to ask me, it reflects a bad image of the justice system of this country when you look at what is going on there, because all that is going on there, it's a momish, if you were to ask me. But then who am I to say? I'm not even calling the shots. Well, it is what it is. Share what you think in the comment section, and then I'll see you in the next upload. Let's continue to watch this to the end. Thank you very much for subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I've seen the engagements and everything that we've been having in the comment section. Thank you very much for everything that you've done so far. Thank you very much.
Lieutenant Colonel House, you have agreed, I'm told, by Mr. Baloyi. What is the agreement, Mr. Gomezol?
My Lord, we agreed with the state that we will not go items by items. But I think we focus on paragraph 23 to 25, if I'm not mistaken. But there's only one issue in respect of accused number 1. The two numbers that are listed in the exhibit DD5C, DD5B, the one that starts with 060. Accused number 1 denies that number. He only admits the number 079.
Yeah, but that's, yeah, fine, that's okay. But the point is, the evidence which is going to be adduced by Mr. House, has there been an agreement how he's going to go about adducing it?
That's correct.
Okay, Mr. Ramusipiri.
As it pleases the court, my Lord. My Lord, indeed, so we have agreed that we go in terms of Exhibit C, and the expert only went on to put the time periods when certain communications and transactions occurred, and then cross-examination will then be based on the summary that is for the colorful ones, my Lord, these ones, as per the previous exhibit, my Lord. That's the court places.
Yes, Mr. Mnesi? Mr. Umalo. Ms. Mshololo. Okay, so we may proceed then.
Well, thank you very much guys for watching this video up to this far, and from me to you, I am signing out till the next upload. Peace, and thank you also for all the support and the love that I've been receiving from the community and the channel, everything that has been happening in the comment section. Thank you very much guys for everything, the engagement. I love it. Thank you so much for all the support that you've given me as a channel. And until the next upload, from me to you, I'm signing out. Peace. Bye.